Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, well known as the site of the pivotal Civil War battle in July of 1863. Later that same year, Abraham Lincoln came to deliver his now famous Gettysburg Address. But beyond the battlefield, visitors can find a place where history hides. Old Getty Place, a 10-block neighborhood, has long been a blend of homes, small businesses, houses of worship. Prior to the Civil War, the neighborhood was home to free African-American families. It remains culturally diverse to this day. Historic properties can be visited by following the Old Getty Place self-guided walking tour. At 138 West Middle Street, visitors see a restored log home, once owned by famed abolitionist Thaddeus Stevens. The James and Catherine Foster House stands at 155 South Washington Street. When the battle began on July 1, 1863, the Foster's daughter stood outside, giving water to Union troops. At 43 West High Street stands St. Francis Xavier Roman Catholic Church, an important neighborhood institution today and in 1863. It served as a hospital during the Battle of Gettysburg, where 250 wounded soldiers were treated. Near St. Francis is the Gettysburg Female Institute building, now one of Gettysburg's grandest private homes. It was the site of Adams County's first public school in 1813. The Lutheran Theological Seminary and Gettysburg College both trace their roots back to the building. The Jack Hopkins House at 219 South Washington Street was owned by one of Gettysburg's most famous black citizens. John Jack Hopkins was a janitor at Pennsylvania College, now Gettysburg College, starting in 1847, where he was extremely popular with the student body. Mr. Hopkins reportedly aided runaway slaves as they passed through town. The Jenny Wade home sits at 49 Breckinridge Street. Jenny Wade, the only civilian killed during the Battle of Gettysburg, worked with her mother as a seamstress out of this house. A neighborhood cornerstone, St. Paul AME Zion Church. This building dates to 1917. The original church building was constructed in 1840, just down the street. Historic Lincoln Cemetery is located on Long Lane. Before and after the Civil War, blacks and whites were buried in separate cemeteries. In 1867, the Sons of Goodwill, an African-American fraternal organization, purchased the land for a cemetery. Jack Hopkins and his family are buried here, along with other prominent black citizens. Enjoy your visit to Old Getty Place, where history hides.